Hello, if you want to fix the weather app on POCO X7 Pro because it doesn't work properly, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna open the app and you might see the location access information where we need to grant the location services and allow your device to determine location using wireless networks. And you might be wondering how to exactly do that. Well, we're gonna tap on this settings button, and first of all, of course, you want to make sure that the location service is enabled. In addition to that, you want to go to app location permissions, and then you want to find weather, and you want to, for instance, allow it all the time or only while using the app, although I'm not sure if this option actually allows you to proceed with this pop-up information. So you want to allow all the time, and you probably want to use precise location as well. Now after that, if we go back, then in addition we need to go to location services, and then we have location accuracy, which also should be enabled. So now after we go back, and once we open the weather app, now we only have the question to allow a notification, so of course we can do that, and we should update the weather app. After a few seconds we should be able to get it. You might still see this error where we cannot really get the location of our phone, but in that case you can simply enter the location manually by entering it in the search field over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.